fucking amazing. This road's pretty gnarly for sure. Very bouncy, rough. Not a whole lot of shit on the road, but this show is the V4. The engine in this thing is so tractable and just fucking punch you out of corners. Yeah. Light enough where it makes me nervous on this thing. The bike changes direction very fast, faster than I'm used to. So I'm actually having to slow my movements down on the inputs because it feels like it would turn in too tightly, which is a testament to the cornering prowess of the bike. Again, great power coming out of corners, that triple. It shows a bad line there. A little bit of water here. Yeah, I think I like this. Okay. Tuono. Yeah, I think I like this better. Oh yeah. Yeah, this wants to be manhandled. It doesn't want to go slow. Yeah, the faster you ride this, the better it feels. Hey man, there is no denying the engine in this thing is, how can I describe it, dude? This is, wow. Fucking unreal, man. This engine has it all. It has lots of the mid-range, and then it continues to fucking pull like a son of a bitch up high. And I'm sure it probably doesn't have the upper that the sports style bikes do, like even the RSV4. But dude, for what we're doing, I mean, the power coming out of